particularly interesting question, especially this year, because, what we're seeing is that more consumers, more than ever, are going to be taking their holiday shopping online. According to a recent eMarketer research poll, 81.5% of US adults say that they're going to do more than half of their holiday shopping digitally, which means this is going to be a great year for retailers to be encouraging app downloads and signups to online stores and things like that. So to plug a little research that Celtra did, we recently surveyed about 1,000 US consumers and uncovered their feelings surrounding, just holiday creative in general, just like the emotions they feel and in the stories that they're told. And interestingly enough, 33% of consumers responded that an entertaining story or message is actually going to make the creative more memorable. Whereas like 28% of consumers responded that it's really a high quality design that makes the message stick. About 23% of consumers responded that they find an ad to be more memorable when the brand is instantly recognizable, so something that they can just see right away and know who's talking to them. And then, interestingly enough, only 17% of consumers said that a lucrative offer or like a free offer really makes the ad more appealing. So, from this research, we've kind of come to the conclusion that if you're looking to drive more app installs or UA this holiday season with your creative, you should focus on making a variety of message and trying a couple different approaches, but making sure that they're entertaining and meaningful, really just with gorgeous, high quality creative instead of relying solely on some sort of free offer or an incentive.